Practice has the greatest effect when it involves constructive feedback about how trainees performed in the training situation and about how they can improve for the next time they practice or for when they use the new skill on the job. This feedback also helps trainees gauge their progress in the program and helps them adjust their learning strategy to better suit the situation. Feedback should be specific, focused on behaviors, not personalities, not interests, and come from multiple sources. For example, trainees can receive feedback from their trainers and managers, from their exam and quiz results, from observing other people on the job performing a behavior correctly, and from information provided through the performance management system through performance appraisal. The sooner feedback can be shared with trainees, the bigger the impact it's going to have on their learning and transfer.